Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Chrysler Pacifica screen, covering both the main display and the rear entertainment system. First, for your main Uconnect screen, simply starting your vehicle should power it on automatically. If it stays dark, look for the power button, which is usually a black dial on the dashboard. Press it to activate the display. You can also check your audio settings to ensure the screen is set to turn on with the car. Now, let's talk about the rear entertainment screens. These displays are designed to power on automatically when you start your Pacifica. However, if they don't, each rear screen has its own dedicated power button. Simply press this button to manually turn on the display. This gives your passengers direct control over their individual screens, ensuring everyone can enjoy their ride. Once your rear screens are powered on, you can easily select what plays on them. From the front Uconnect screen, tap the Media button, then navigate to the Rear Seat tab. Here, you will see options for both the left and right rear displays. Select Launch Source for the screen you wish to control, then choose your desired input such as a Blu-ray disc, a connected device, or another available media source. It's quite intuitive. If you encounter any issues with your screens, a few troubleshooting steps can help. For the main Uconnect screen, try a soft reset by holding down the volume and browse knob buttons simultaneously for about 30 seconds until the screen restarts. If rear screens are not working, you might check the vehicle's fuse box for the rear entertainment system fuse. For persistent problems, always consult your owner's manual or visit a certified dealership for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.